Hello everyone. We are Team City Path Innovators from Excel Public School. I am Navika Jain and I am here with my teammates Kriti Gupta and Amana Vishwas. Together, we have developed a solution for cities to tackle water scarcity and flooding with our sturdy and portable bricks.
To begin, let's examine the current situation in cities dealing with both water scarcity and frequent flooding. Traditional pavements made from concrete are common, but they have one major problem. They do not absorb water. When it rains, the water just runs off, contributing to flooding and wasting water resources. Our solution, Jalpath, is a permeable brick designed to absorb rainwater, prevent flooding, and helping to recharge the groundwater.
The primary goal of our project is to help reduce water wastage and prevent flooding. The Jalpath bricks we created are both sturdy and permeable. These bricks allow rainwater to pass through them and seep into the ground, which helps to recharge groundwater. This process can raise water levels in borewells and wells, especially in areas suffering from water scarcity. By absorbing rainwater, the Jalpath bricks reduce the amount of water that would otherwise contribute to flooding.
Let's take a closer look at our model. We have created a comparison between two types of pavements, one made from traditional concrete and the other one is made from our Jalpath bricks. As you can see, the concrete pavement is solid and impermeable, while the Jalpath pavement is designed to allow water to pass through, demonstrating its permeability.
Our Jalpath bricks consist of three layers. The first layer is a mixture of perlite, cement, soil, sand, sugarcane bagasse, and water. This combination makes a brick strong while still allowing water to pass through. The second layer consists of sugarcane bagasse arranged in a crisscross pattern. This design not only gives the brick structural integrity but also enhances its ability to absorb water. The third layer mirrors the first layer.
Now we will demonstrate how the bricks perform. As you can see, when we pour water onto the concrete pavement, it simply runs off as concrete does not absorb water. But when we pour water onto the Jalpath bricks, it gets absorbed quickly into the pavement, showing how effective our bricks are at preventing water wastage and reducing flooding.
In conclusion, Jalpath bricks are not only sturdy and durable, but also environmental friendly. They help manage rainwater, prevent flooding, and contribute to water conservation in urban areas.
Behind every successful project is a great team, and we are proud of our collaboration. I, Namuna, built the physical model of our project.
I, Navika, along with Riti, focused on the documentation and creating the model layout.
All of us, with the help of our mentor Rupa, work together to develop the Jalpath bricks.